In this series, we're talking about square foot gardening. And in this segment, we'll talk about what materials are needed to create your own square foot garden. The basis of your garden or your raised bed is going to be the wood. So to create your 4x4 garden, you need to go to the by 8 sections. And most lumber yards will cut them into smaller pieces, and all you have to do is ask, or they might charge a small fee. But we just asked for them to be cut into 2x8x4 pieces, and it was really easy. They have the wood all ready to go. So now I have 4 2x8x4 pieces of wood that I'm going to put into a square, and as simple as that. To put the wood together, you need a few materials. Here I have a wood boring bit and an electric screwdriver. I have a little mallet. I've got either a wrench or a ratchet and a socket wrench, which I think works the best. And then I've got 5/16 lag bolts that are 3 inches long. So they're 5/16 times 3 inches lag bolts. And then I've got washers that are 5/16 that I'm going to put inside the bolts so that the bolts don't eventually over the years get into the wood and they stay on the outside of the wood. I've got my tape measure so that I can measure where I'm going to put my holes and how long all of the little sections are going to be. I have a box cutter because it works really well to cut my pest barrier. And I have an extra pair of scissors too, just in case. The best way to make your 1 foot by 1 foot squares within your 4x4 square foot garden is to use vinyl strips. And these are just strips that we found at the home supply store, and it's used for edging around grass and other plants. And so when I'm going to put this together, I will cut these into pieces and we'll cut slits in them, and we will combine them vertically and horizontally to make a grid inside the box. So you really don't need a lot of materials to create your square foot garden. Next segment, we'll talk about how to create it.